Hey everyone, welcome back to Learning Bridge. I hope you guys are doing good and staying safe. So recently I crossed 50,000 followers on LinkedIn, and for that a big congratulations to me. So effectively I started using LinkedIn last year in the month of March 2020, and from that point onwards I'm very much active on the LinkedIn side. And I do remember at that time I was only having 700 to 800 kind of LinkedIn connections. So that's why I was planning for this video where I can share my growth journey on LinkedIn, how I started, what kind of content you can write, what kind of benefits I'm getting from LinkedIn, and couple of important tips for you. So just a small disclaimer for you all that I'm not going to share any kind of hacks, because even I didn't follow any kind of growth hack things. I was just following the genuine things, what I learned from different people, and whatever content I was sharing, people liked it, and that's how I gained this kind of following. And first time I have prepared questions for myself, like I have prepared 5 important questions for you all, which I will ask to myself in order to explain my LinkedIn growth journey. First question: what is the right time to start using LinkedIn? So for that my answer is there is no right time to start using LinkedIn, and as soon as you get to hear about the advantages and relevance of these kind of platforms, you should definitely check that out. For me, when I was in the college, there was nobody to guide me, or even like I was not that much self-aware so that I could explore, yes, this kind of platform is available where I can go professionally, I can interact with different people, I can find good opportunities. So I didn't do that. But when my placements were about to start, I got to know about this platform from TPOs. They told us to create account on LinkedIn, but they didn't tell us that why it is important and how it is going to benefit you. And since this is a platform which can help you to grow professionally, so it would be my personal recommendation, if you haven't started using it, you should definitely start. Even if you are in your colleges, even you are in your first year, second year, third year, you can definitely start using it. Nowadays things have changed a lot, so along with the working professionals, there are n number of freshers who are using LinkedIn very effectively. So what are you waiting for? Just stop watching this video and start using LinkedIn. Don't stop watching this video. I have a lot of things to share with you guys. And after watching this video, if you have any questions related to the LinkedIn consumption, then feel free to put it in the comment section. I will answer those kind of questions in next video. And here I have a very important news for you all. In last few days, you might be hearing about the re-level test by an academy. Many of you applied for that test, but there were a lot of people who were not able to register themselves for re-level test because of multiple reasons. So I have a very exciting news for you all that re-level has announced that their all tests have been made free of cost. Like, you don't need to pay even a single rupee for the re-level test, and this re-level test will give access to the candidates more than 1000 plus job opportunities with top-notch companies. Now you can register yourself for the re-level test with 5 easy steps. Just visit on the re-level platform, link is in the description, you can use it, do a sign up here, and after that you need to do a registration for free for any of the test domain. And after the registration you need to pick a slot. Since the slots are very limited, so I would suggest you to register yourself as soon as possible. And after picking up the test time slot, you need to create a video resume where you can talk about your achievements, skills, projects, whatever you have worked on. This has to be submitted within the 4 hours after picking the test time slot. Once you submit your video resume, you can click on the submit and your slot will be confirmed. On the day of test, all rounds will be completed in a single day, and after that you will receive your re-level score within 24 hours. So as soon as you get your re-level score, you just need to sit back, relax, because companies will start reaching out to you for the job opportunities. So do perform really well in the test. The maximum score you will get, the maximum companies will reach out to you for the job opportunities. Please, registration is free now. Get yourself registered in big numbers and just avail this amazing opportunity for interview with great companies. And if you perform really well in the re-level test, then there are amazing opportunities for you to get exciting prizes like MacBook, Apple Watch, and many more. So register for free, attempt your re-level test, get your re-level test score, sit back and start interviewing with amazing top-notch companies. And also don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe the channel. Now moving on to the next question: what kind of content I can create or I can share on the LinkedIn? This is actually a good question. So the first thumb rule for the content creation is that you need to get away from the hesitation, because when I thought to start using LinkedIn actively, I was very hesitant. Like, I was not getting idea what kind of content I can share on LinkedIn, whether people will like or what kind of comments I will be receiving. So I was just going through with that mindset. But trust me, you shouldn't think about it. Whatever you know, just feel free to share it, because it will convey some information. In the beginning, don't worry about your content and don't hesitate. For me, how I actually started, I started sharing my own experience, like from my schooling, whatever hustle I did, and whatever I experienced in my graduation, my post-graduation placements, and I was writing those things in a story form and was posting on LinkedIn. And trust me, when you write something which you have experienced genuinely, then definitely there will be a lot of people who will be able to connect with you. And if you keep on writing such genuine content, then definitely they will start following you as well. Voila baby, you got the followers. So if you are someone who is very much into the technology part, you can start writing about it, like whatever new technologies are coming in, if you have used any tool, tech frameworks, any important information about it, advantages, disadvantages, and many more things. You can start writing about it, because there will be other tech enthusiasts who will find this information very, very important, relevant. I have seen people who keep on writing the motivational stuff to motivate others. People used to share their own journey in different companies, how they grow professionally, what they have experienced in between. People used to post funny content as well in the form of memes, which you can relate in your professional life, and whatever funny things which can happen in a professional career. So definitely there are n number of directions and categories around which you can start writing your content. But the thumb rule is, don't hesitate in the beginning. Don't worry about the followers, likes, comments and all. You just need to be continuous and start writing whatever you know. Just share it with the community. Now the third question, how can someone grow on LinkedIn? So your growth on LinkedIn depends on couple of factors. First is the type of content you are writing. Second thing, whether you are maintaining the continuity or not. And third thing is whether audience is liking and engaging with your content or not. Based on my experience, the thing which actually helped me to grow on LinkedIn rapidly, that is the continuity. Like from that point onwards, I am continuously writing content on LinkedIn. Like every day, I just feel whenever I will get a time, I will share something with the audience. And it is not like that I pre-plan my post. No, not at all. In my day-to-day activities, whatever I feel, whatever I experience, and if something hits my mind, I try to recall it and I try to write it down in my own words. So that's how I used to create the content. And in my huge network, whenever I see a good post, engaging post, which I feel is worth sharing with my audience as well, I definitely share those kind of posts as well with proper credits. You need to keep on experimenting with your content as well. Like try different kind of content. In that way, you will be able to get to know more about your audience, that what kind of content they are expecting from you and what kind of content they are liking more. And one very important thing, you need to show love, respect, and you need to take care of your own audience. So for that, you need to engage with your audience. Let's say in your post, they are putting the reactions, they are putting the comments. So you need to interact with them. Just have a fun conversation, share your opinion. And if your inbox is not bombarded, you are receiving messages from different people. So try to respond as well whenever you have time, because like when you have such a kind of huge network, probably you cannot respond to each and every message instantly. But whenever you have time, try to respond to the questions or queries, because helping out someone is a noble cause and it should be actually in your nature. And for that one, definitely you will get a lots of love from your audience. So next question, how to create a solid profile? So the best tip to create a solid profile is that try to complete as many as things you can, starting from your bio till the projects and achievements. Try to fill as many as things you can, because in your LinkedIn profile there will be different sections. So your bio part, it should be complete. It should contain the important keywords. For me, like I have given multiple talks in different events, and trust me, those people reach out to me on LinkedIn, because when they try to find a kind of a speaker, they search with the keywords like public speaker. And even when recruiters try to find a candidate, they try to type these kind of keywords like software engineer, data engineer, whatever it is. And along with that, your about me section should also be complete. Like it should be summarized, whatever experience do you have and whatever things you are doing, it should be mentioned there. And after that, professional experience part, let's say you work for a company, you will definitely mention that experience, and also try to mention the kind of projects you did there or the kind of contribution you have done there. Try to list down all the skill sets. You know, if people are endorsing for those skill sets, definitely that is a really good thing. And there will be other sections as well, like the honors, the achievements or the projects. So try to complete it as much as you can. That's how you will be able to create a like very solid profile. Creating the solid profiles also depend on your past or the kind of things you are doing, because those experiences will be an add-on, those achievements will be an add-on. People will definitely find it very interesting, and they will find your profile very interesting to connect. And the last and very important question is that how LinkedIn helped me in my professional growth. So trust me, in my professional growth, LinkedIn has played a very important role, and I will tell you why. Because when I started writing content on LinkedIn, slowly and gradually people started knowing about me and they started following my content. They started interacting with me. And at the same point of time, I was also about to start my YouTube channel. And when you start your channel, then definitely you need an audience which can relate with your content. So that time, whatever content I was creating on YouTube, I was definitely sharing it on LinkedIn. They followed my channel, I got the subscriber, and that's how I grown my YouTube channel as well. Second thing is, whatever tech talks I was giving, people were reaching out to me on LinkedIn. Why? Because they found my profile interesting, and I was also creating content. I had a YouTube channel, so I got an invitation from different colleges, different public speaking event. So it helped me in that aspect as well, like getting more and more public visibility just because of my public speaking skills or whatever I was sharing with different audience. Next was multiple opportunities for side income. Based on my activities, different edtech companies reached out to me, and different companies which are providing mentorship as a service, and I did a collaboration with those organizations and I was getting paid for it. And similarly, I got multiple sponsors for my YouTube videos. So it definitely helped me in that part, like generating side income on monthly basis. Last point is job opportunities with multiple top-notch companies, because LinkedIn is a platform which is made for the professionals, and here definitely you can find good job opportunities. But sometimes you need to put up your own efforts in order to find the good opportunities. But if you have a good visibility and if you have a solid profile, and trust me, those recruiters will try to reach out to you for those amazing job opportunities. That happens with me as well. Like multiple recruiters from good product based companies and good top notch companies used to ping me about the job opportunities, and whenever I'll be interested, definitely I can get those opportunities easily. So that is the relevance of a platform like LinkedIn. So these are the kind of benefits which I have got from LinkedIn, and it is truly amazing. So you can also use LinkedIn very effectively for your professional growth and for various other things. That was all about my professional growth on LinkedIn. I have lots of love and respect for my audience. You guys are amazing. And at the end, if you like this video, then give a thumbs up, share it with your other friends, and if you're new to the channel, then press the subscribe button and also press the notification icon. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, just stay safe, stay home, take care of yourself and your family too.